Hello and welcome to another Craft Ninja video. Today I have my Teresa Collins empowerment box. This is a bi-monthly, every 2 months subscription box, and this one apparently is chock full of goodies, so let's get into it. All right, here is the inside. I will love myself, invest in myself, appreciate myself, build myself. All right, that sounds like a great start off to this. All right, we've got some tissue paper on top. We have the exclusive Limitless pink pen that Teresa had talked about in some of her lives, which is really great and cute. Let's see, everything will be fine. Stretchy bracelet. Silicone rubber one. We have another bracelet that says actually I can. Let me take it out of the packaging so y'all can properly see it. Being a little ornery. Whew, there we go. Okay, so here is the bracelet. Actually, I can. And this is silver. Let's see, yeah, it's silver, and then this is hammered, and then this is kind of like a matte, so that is really cute. And then how you put it on is just pull it, and then it goes through that hole right there, and just put it on. There we go. I'm not gonna put it on right now, but it is super cute. Love a good bracelet. What's in this pink little bag? Oh, look. Oh, what do we have in here in this frosted thing? All right, let's see. We have, we have an enough kind of tag. Let's see, can I do this? Ah! All right, can y'all see that? There you go, it says enough. It's a little tag that you kind of would attach to a bracelet or a necklace or something like that. We also, in this same pink bag, had 2 little hair clips. So one bobby pin and one clippy clip. So like that. And these are kind of frosted, sort of, they look like kind of frosted gumdrops, but they're heart-shaped in blue. So maybe some of y'all got different colors. Maybe they came in different colors. All right, and other things that we have some lovely pins. You can play, do not play small, be kind, plan it, manifest it, focus forward, show up, why not, and a Teresa Collins star. All right, we have some notebook covers. All right, these are really great for your notebooks that she has. She has tons of notebooks with empowering quotes on them. And these are just to kind of cover them up so you can slip them in your purse or in your bag or just carry them and not get those kind of mushed up corners and things like that that I know some of us get when we carry around a notebook and it gets lovingly used. So these will keep it nice and pristine and pretty. Let me show you how these are used, how these are done. All right, so this is one of her notebooks. It is Do It With Passion or Not At All. And these simply just slide on super easily, just on the front cover and on the back cover. There we go, and they just slide in. And there you go, you have a perfectly protected notebook cover with the added feature of a pen loop. So you can keep your Teresa Collins pen with your Teresa Collins notebook. There you go. That's the notebook setup. All right, next we have a lovely stamp, the beauty stamp set. I love Teresa's stamps. They are really high quality and they stamp really well. Like this, like beauty inside this butterflies, just stamped nice and solid, and the beauty, it does really well. So this is a really great one, especially making cards, encouragements, just little encouragement in your planner, in your notebook, whatnot. Okay, so then we have this designer sticker set. This one is this is just designer sticker set number 3. So it's got some flowers and things like that on there. So, and also has some quote strips and things like that on there. So that is really cute. Let me just show these to y'all because these are really great stickers too. You can go in your planner, stick them, or turn them into magnets, you know, whatever. The possibilities are limitless for what you can do with stickers. All right, so we have gold foiling on here. So you have Girl Boss and the heart and the bow. And you have some square stickers. Then you have your quote ones and Teresa Collins pink. The same in black and gold foil. And then the same in white. So those are really great. Use them in your planner and whatever. They are super, super versatile. And then we also have another one. This one is from the Bold Life collection. We'll go ahead and take a look at these as well. So these are also going to have gold foil on them, and these have days of the week on them. So these would be really great in your planner, kind of little tabs or things like that. Note, sweet, happy, gold foil in light blue. Just a little pattern, hustle, resilient. Got some more gold foil on this one. We've got some rectangular kind of quotes. So you can kind of stick them in your boxes on your planner or in there. And then some ones in light blue. And that is the Bold Life set. So that is great as well. We also have some washi, the Bold Life washi set as well. And the, let's see, this one is Bright Side as well. This has a nice chunky gold washi in it. So let me pull the Bold Life out first so y'all can see that. This is really great. Queen, behold, empower, do it anyway. Gold stars, just really thin, tiny bows, bold blue and black stripe, and then some really bold quote kind of isms, washi for that. And then let's see what this one is, the Bright Side. Always look on the bright side of life. Always makes me think of that Monty Python one. And then gold foil, appreciate gratitude, 24/7 grateful, sweet little flowers, red hearts, days of the week, and really wide gold glitter washi. So that is super cute. Let's see what else we have in here. And last, but certainly not least, we have, here we go. We have a print set. So behind every successful woman is herself, girl power, the rainbow, you are enough, and hello gorgeous, you've got beauty, that's all your own. So those are really great. These do not have the gold border around them on the actual print, it's just the packaging does. So those are really great, a really sweet set that you can kind of frame like this for kind of a collage wall or something like that. So that is a really great set from Teresa Collins, and that was great. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow me in all things social, give me a thumbs up, share my video, follow my affiliate links if there are any in my video description, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye!